Okay, so first off, I want to say hello and thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Again, my name is Jeff and my company is Belanger Solutions. The point of the video is to kind of show you how you could increase the value of your company and generate some more exposure on Google. There are three key factors that are needed to rank your business on Google. These are content, backlinks, and citations. So understand that every time you type something here into Google in the search bar, these are considered keywords, and Google uses these keywords to find websites that best fit that search criteria. Search engine optimization, SEO. Google crawls millions and millions of websites daily looking for content relevant to the keywords, and then Google categorizes these websites based on their content. This is how you establish rank. Now, you typically want 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your site, depending on your competition and the number of keywords needed. So here I have your website, Carolina General Contractors. So I just typed in General Contractor Fayetteville and just want to go over this briefly. This right here is the map pack. Everybody's very familiar with the map pack. A lot of searches and a lot of local sales and leads come from this with a lot of near me searches, your Google business profile in the area of coverage, along with citations, anything name, address, and phone number that is connected to you generates your rank structure here along with other factors in the map section. Citation directories are things Yellow Pages, BBB, Angie, Yelp. Underneath the map is where the organic rank structure starts to take place. So if you've ever wondered, how does a business get here on the first page? How do they get this exposure? This deals with content and backlinks and how the site is typically laid out. So aside from advertising, which is BBB or House or Angie or Yelp, Home Advisor or Thumbtack, an organic rank site like this here, Custom Home Builder Fayetteville, would be Southeastern Home Builds. They're here on number 7. So to take a look at why they're there and why I didn't see you in this area, I'll show you a few things. I have your website here, and then I have a tool that I can use. It's called Ahrefs. And Ahrefs shows me what's going on behind the scenes, how the website's ranking or what the business has built into its site in a roundabout way. So we have backlinks. You have 20 of them, and backlinks are this a ranking factor. They are one website that links to another. It's like an endorsement of your website from another company or from another website, and Google uses that to build trust in you, and it creates popularity. It's a popularity contest in here. Um, 20 backlinks. Keep in mind, not all backlinks are considered equal, so you would want a backlink with a strong domain rank and a lot of traffic coming through it. And I have a slow computer for today. Okay, here we go. A strong domain rank and lots of traffic coming through it. For example, this one is not so strong with no traffic, but that's okay. Here we go. We have a few more, but that's all right. Let's see what else would we have here. Also, the 9 referring domains connected from these backlinks, and it looks like you're using about 23 keywords within the content, and that's generating about 17 views a month worth of traffic. On the other token, we have Southeastern General Contractors. They're number 7. They're on the first page, and they're also right here at the top of the Google Business. When we take a look into their site and what's going on behind their closed doors, 390 backlinks here with them. Looks like they had 210 recently added. They have 75 keywords, and it's generating them about 68 views per month. Let's go in here and take a look for a quick look. So give you an idea how this works, every time somebody types in the search bar for Google, as I said, those are keywords, and Google crawls websites looking for relevant content. So when someone is typing in General Contractors, Fayetteville, North Carolina, that is searched 350 times a month. General Contractor, Contractor, 300 times a month. Contractors Fayetteville, 250. Home Builders in Fayetteville, 450. Home Builders Fayetteville, North Carolina, 450. So you can see when the collective is added up, that's a lot of exposure that's being generated to that website or into that particular business, and that creates a lot of potential leads and customers for you. So what I wanted to just take the time was give a little explanation there. I hope that's helpful. You know, content, backlinks, citations, when that comes together with your Google Business Profile and the area of coverage that you serve, you'll generate a lot of popularity. You'll move up the rank structure, and Google will start to recognize you, and you'll generate a lot more exposure that way, and of course, increase your business. Having a well-built business or a well-built website is important. There's a lot of companies that build beautiful sites, but sometimes they'll fall short with content and SEO. In that case, I kind of like to say it's like a business card on a desert island. Nobody can see it. You'll be asking yourself, well, I got a website built, but I'm not generating any traffic and my calls aren't coming in. There's a lot of factors that go into that. So that's just a little inside on how that works. And I hope you can understand that a little bit better and kind of appreciate what's going on there. If there were any questions or concerns or you'd like to work together, I'd be more than happy to talk to you. Thanks for your time and have a great day.